What do you think if I say you can download Instagram video in 30 seconds? Yes, you can. Hey, welcome back with another tech video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram video simply. First, open your browser and open Instagram. Go to Reel tab and find Reel you want to download. Get Reel like that? Okay, then open new tab on your browser and search SnapInsta. Okay, you can paste your Reel link here and close two ads and click Download button under the video. Okay, now you can see video downloaded. Let's check out it. Here guys, it's working super good. Now I'm gonna show you bonus website for do same thing. You need open new tab and search SaveFromNet. Okay, here. Now you paste your Reel link and click download. Now you can see your video downloaded. Guys, you can download any social media video except YouTube. You can't download YouTube videos. So I think this video helps you. If you think this video helpful, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more. Thank you.